Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into the Google account that manages the device and on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Google Home app and allow location or local network access if asked. This ensures devices appear. Then visually scan tiles and tap the specific tile you plan to remove. You do this now so you don't accidentally remove a shared device. Choosing the right tile avoids permission confusion later in the process. Once inside the device tile, tap the gear icon to open device settings. This is where controls and account links live. Scroll down carefully until you see Remove, Unlink Account, or Factory Reset. Labels vary by device. If you only need to unpair the device from your account, pick Remove or Unlink. If you're handing the device to someone else, choose Factory Reset to erase personal data. Make sure to read any on-screen prompt so you understand whether services or linked routines are affected. To finish, tap Remove or Factory Reset and follow confirmation prompts. The app will show progress and a confirmation when the device is gone. If the removal fails, restart your phone and router, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then retry. This clears transient network or account sync errors. If problems persist, sign out of the Google Home app and sign back in or perform a manual hardware reset on the device. This ensures the device is fully detached from your account and ready for reuse.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.